Let's draw this figure in front of us. So our dimensions are in millimeters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come here, we say new metric standard millimeters, then we say create. In here we are going to start with rectangles. So here is our first rectangle. Okay, here is our second rectangle. Now we need to make sure that from here to there we have 90 millimeters. So 90. And this whole thing here need to be 142 millimeters. 142 it is. Thank you. Then after that, we're gonna come for the third rectangle. So this one here will go like that. Alright. Then we need to make sure that this one is 42 millimeters. 42 it is. Okay. Then after that, we need to make sure now that from here to there we need to have 20 millimeters. Okay, 20 millimeters to 0, and from here to there we need to have 16 millimeters. Okay, so that is in place. After that, we're gonna come for this spot here. Do you see this? Okay, that's one over there. So we're gonna come here and drop this line here up to there. Now we need to make sure that from here to there we have 70 millimeters. So 70. Good. Now that we have this, what we're gonna go next for are these two circles. So there's my first circle, okay, and there is my second one. I need to avoid any constraints. So this one here needs to be 16 millimeters, right? And this needs to be equal to that one. Good. Now we need to make sure that from here to there we have 40 millimeters, so 40. All right. And from here to there we need to have 92 millimeters. That was close. 92 millimeters. Now that I have that in place, I need to make sure that the distance between this one here and that one is 25 millimeters. 25. Good. And now the distance now between this one here and that one needs to be 25 millimeters as well. That is correct. Now that I have this in place, now I'm going to go for this spot here. So first, let's go like this. Okay, there we go. All right. Now I'm gonna drop this line here. This is gonna be my axis up to the. And now I need to make sure that this axis here is parallel to that line over there, which is parallel now, and this one here needs to be 50 millimeters, so 50. Good. Now from here to there I need to have 25. All right. And from here to there I need to have 0, so this one here needs to be 0, which is good. Now this one needs to be 14 millimeters, so that needs to be 14 millimeters. All right. Now I'm gonna have this spots drawn there, so it needs to go like this. Okay, and this whole thing needs to be 30 millimeters. 30 millimeter it is. And from here to there I need to have 15 millimeters. All right. And between this one and that one I need to have 5 millimeters. 5 millimeter it is. That is good. Now that you have the frame of your drawing, what you're gonna do now is you need to go on 3D now. So you're gonna come on 3D model. Okay, so I have everything in place, right? So that's what, yeah. Then you're gonna click on extrude. Okay, so here you are going to start with these parts. So you're gonna come here, you click here, you need to make sure it goes the other way so that you can avoid any kind of confusion over there, right? So that's one as well. So this one, Then you come here, you click on here, there, okay, and here. Then you click here and there and there. Okay, now that you have this in place, you need to make sure that this one goes down by 59 millimeters, so 59. Yeah, now that you have that, oh, I should have said 75 millimeters, so 75, sorry for that, 75. Then you say again plus, okay, you click the same very thing, you come back here, you click there, okay, that's one, going the other way, so the whole thing actually, yeah, plus this one, plus this one, and that's one, and that's one, plus this one, by now 59 millimeters, so 59. Yeah, there we go. Now you need to click this one as well. Yeah, there we go. All right, you're gonna come back again. Okay, you come back here again, you say plus. Now you click this thing, this whole part. Okay, now you need to go down by 75 millimeters, so 75. Okay, then after that you're gonna say plus again. Now you're gonna cut here. Okay, so you need to go down by 25 millimeters, so here you're gonna say 25, so 25, it goes like that. Yeah, good. So this was the last one with extrude. You're gonna say okay, now you say sketch visibility on. Okay, you go on 3D model, you click on revolve. Now you need to revolve this part here, so this part, so this one, okay, this one, come here, you click there, okay, that's one, against, oh sorry, plus this part as well, okay, plus this part against this axis. Good, like that. Okay, now you say plus again. Now you want to cut this. Now against that same axis you say cut. Now you have it that way, as you can see. All right, good. Now you say okay, you go now on extrude. You need to cut this one here. You need to cut it to have this shape here. Okay, can you see that? To have that. So you come back here, you say 60, both sides of the drawing plane, like that. Now you say cut. Yeah, this is how your drawing looks like. Now you say okay, now you can remove your visibility. You come there, you say visibility off. Okay, now you have the whole frame, the whole idea is now clear. So now you come here, you need to create a fillet here. So you come there, you click there, fillets, you click this one as well, right? Now you want it to go with a radius of 25 millimeters. Good. Can you see that? It is so beautiful. Look at how it looks like. Exactly. So this is how it is. Now you say okay, so now you come here, you need to create, come on, you need to create a drawing here. Okay, so you right click, you say new sketch here. So here you are going to draw that hole plus this one from over there. So you come here, you draw this straight line from there up to J, you drop it down there. Okay, then you also draw this, no constraint please, this circle over there. All right, so this circle here needs to be 16 millimeters. Good. And from here to there, that needs to be 35 millimeters. Good. And now what you want now is from here to there you need 45 millimeters, so 45 it is. Okay, and from here to there what you need now is 20 millimeters to 0. Good. So what you're gonna do now is you go on extrude, you click there and there, right? Now you want it to go inside that way. Now you cut it. Now you have your drawing properly done there. As you can see, this is the figure that you are looking for. Now what you do now what you want now is to give the material. This is what you're gonna do next. So you come here, you choose the material. So you can go with carbon steel. Where's carbon steel? There's carbon steel. Now you have your beautiful figure properly done. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're going to enjoy it. For now, I'm going to ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.